Hi, I'm Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today we're going to show you how to install your Maverick R rock sliders. The first thing we want to do is install your upper mount to your Nerf rail loosely. So there are two lower mounts. You will put one in the front pre-cut out hole and one in the rear pre-cut out hole. To access the front one, you'll need to put the bolts in from the bottom of the skid plate to the front, like so. To access the rear one, you will need to pull the seat all the way forward or remove the seat, and then you can access the bolt from behind the seat. Now that you have all your brackets loosely installed, you'll place the Nerf rail onto the bike and start your lower button head bolts to the bottom bracket. Now that you have loosely tightened the 4 button head bolts on the bottom, it's now time to install your rear bolt. For your rear bolt, you'll take the spacer that comes in the kit and slide it over the bolt, and then you'll put the bolt through the frame in the back above the trailing arm. Now that you got all your bolts started, you're ready to tighten everything up and go hit the trails.